this video we are going to take one huge trade with Pocket Option Auto Trader. We are going to use the strategy Alpha 1 Safe and take a $8,000 trade. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself that is completely for free, you find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. You find link both to desktop and for cell phone version. So for that, let's start off the bot. Let's see how we do in this video. So now let's start the bot. Now he will start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards, he will start to get all the information he needs from the indicators that are using in Alpha 1 Safe. So now let's wait and see. So you can see this number is much bigger than it is, for example, with some of these lower strategies like RSI Classic, that's just 16. So now he's starting to look for a trade. Sometimes can be minutes before you take a trade, and sometimes, and now you've got one right away by the way, but typically you can expect minutes in between each trade with this strategy because it's very complex. So, but you see he found a very good trend upwards, so he got a perfect entry, and just like that, we made $7,360 with this amazing strategy. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.